Hi, this is Shweta, 4th B Pharmacy, Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. In this session, I am going to discuss about proof spirit calculations. The introduction and reason for taking 57.1% weight by volume alcoholic strength is as 100% proof is discussed in the previous video. An alcoholic solution containing 57.1% weight by volume absolute alcohol is known as proof spirit and is said to be 100% proof. 57.1% volume by volume is taken as 100% proof. If the percentage given is less than the 57.1% weight by volume, then the proof will be less than 100. We call it as under proof. If the percentage alcohol is given as above 57.1% volume by volume, then the proof is greater than 100 proof. So it is called as over proof. For 1% weight volume by volume alcoholic strength, how much will be the proof? Here I am calculating by cross multiplication 1 into 100 by 57.1% volume by volume. The answer will be 1.753 proof. For the conversion of 1% strength alcohol into proof spirit, the standard formula is proof spirit is equal to given percentage alcoholic strength into 1.753. For the conversion of proof spirit into percentage alcoholic strength, percentage strength is equal to given proof spirit by 1.753. Convert 40% strength of alcohol solution into proof spirit. As I said earlier, if the percentage of strength alcohol is less than 57.1% weight volume by volume, then proof will be less than 100. So take it as under proof. We consider it as under proof. For conversion of percentage strength into proof spirit, here is the formula. Proof spirit is equal to given percentage strength of alcohol into 1.753. Here proof spirit is equal to given percentage strength of alcohol is 40 into 1 multiply with 1.753. The answer will be 70. When we compare it with 100 proof for 57.1% volume by volume, it is less than 57.1% volume by volume. So the answer will be less than 100. How much it is when comparing with it 100? How much it is less than 100? 100 minus 70. The answer will be 30. As I already said that it is under proof. 30 degrees under proof. The answer will be 30 degrees under proof. Convert 90% weight volume by volume alcoholic strength into proof spirit. As I already discussed, if the percentage given is greater than 57.1 volume by volume alcoholic strength, then the proof spirit will be greater than 100. How much it will be greater than 100? Percentage strength of alcohol into proof spirit. This is the formula. Proof spirit is equal to given percentage volume by volume alcoholic strength multiplied with 1.753. After calculating it, the answer will be 157.77. When comparing this value with 100 proof, how much it is greater than 100? 100 plus 57.77. For 57.1% volume by volume, it is 100 proof. For 90%, it is 157.77. So it is greater than 100 proof. So it is called as over proof. How much it is over proof means 57.7 over proof. The answer will be B. Express 51% overproof in terms of percentage volume by volume strength of alcoholic solution. Here the formula is conversion of proof spirit into percentage strength of alcohol. Percentage strength equal to proof spirit by 1.753. For conversion into percentage volume by volume, the given proof spirit is 51 overproof by 1.753. Here overproof means plus 100. 51 plus 100 by 1.753. 151 by 1.753. After calculating it, the answer will be 81.1386. Consider this as 14. 81.14 percentage volume by volume strength of alcohol. Answer will be express 10 degrees underproof in terms of percentage strength of alcohol. Here in question they given as underproof. When 10 underproof. 10 underproof means less than 100 proof. How much it is less than 100 underproof means 10. Then the value will be 100 minus 10. Underproof now is equal to 90 proof. For converting percentage strength of alcohol into proof spirit, the formula is this: percentage strength is equal to 90 proof by 1.753. Then after calculating it, the answer will be 51.34 percentage volume by volume strength of alcohol. I hope you understand. Thank you.